Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we're gonna check another free Windows 10 app that you might not know that is installed on your laptop or desktop when you update your Windows 10 operating system. This is the 3D Viewer. So 3D Viewer is an application that will allow you to view 3D models, hence the name. It's very straightforward, and here you can see the welcome screen or the splash screen when you open this application. So when you want to locate this in your Windows desktop or computer, just that's there. The first thing, because it starts with a 3, or you can just type in 3D and check out if you have that one. So you can inspect and view 3D models. Here you can just view. You can't really do any new models unless it's just basic. You can inspect 3D models, measure texture and material and animation data. You can control the position and color, so you can just play around, and of course bring life to 3D models with animation. Some of them have, some of them don't have. So let's check it out. And right here we can see a 3D model with animation. So you can just click and drag to view it from the bottom. Of course, you can view it any way you want. This is the main viewing area, and on the right side you can see all the settings that you can mess around. You can see the themes. This is the default one. This one. So as you can see, the model is still the same, only the color is different. The lighting of it is kind of HDR, I think. You can see everything right there. And you can save settings. The light rotation, of course, it changes where the light is pointing at the model. So it's like a different time of the day. You can just put it here or here, and as you can see, the shadow is moving also. And here you can see lights. When you scroll with your mouse, it zooms in and out. This is the closest you can go here. You can see the eye. You can't really zoom into a specific part here, but you can see the eye. That's what I want to see. You can also change the animation onto flying. What's this one? It's taking off. 1 is just 2 is I think my favorite. It looks nice. Hover. You can also change jump and turn, swing, turntable. You can also make it faster, which I think it's pretty nifty. You can also open other things in 3D library. For example, you want to have other stuff. You can have sci-fi and fantasy, building structures, outdoors and nature, all animated models. Here, a rampaging T-Rex. It will load up. It will not combine them. It will just open it and then let you see something. This is my favorite. Animation 2. Okay, calm down. Animation 3. So if you want to check out, if you have the time or you're interested in 3D modeling, or you're a 3D modeler, pro 3D modeler, you can, I think, load your files here and see if you can view it with this app. Let's check out some more. A skeleton. Okay, that's creepy, but it's cool. It's actually nice. To be honest, I don't really understand these parameters, but yeah. viewpoints, side view, at the back, presets, I don't really know, reset view. You can just drag. It's much easier this way. So that's it. If you also have a Windows tablet, you can actually have a mixed reality. For example, you use your camera on the tablet or on your Surface Book with a camera, and then you turn this on and it will put the model as an overlay on the real world. That's the AR, augmented reality, but they have it here, mixed reality. So what I want to do right now is make this animation into good use. But so if you want to share this with your friend, this cool animation right here, you can do an animation in Paint 3D. You can do that by clicking File and then Open with Paint 3D. However, if your model, your selected model here has an animation, it will bring up this error. Paint 3D does not currently support animation. So because it's only static models here, you will lose all the animation data. So if you want to say no, then you will go back here, and then if you will say yes, it will take a screenshot of this file, and then it will create a new project in Paint 3D. So Paint 3D is like Paint but with 3D models. So when you have a brush, you can mess up with a brush here. So for example, you want to color all over the model, you can do that. Just Control Z to undo. You can also rotate the model in any way. So as you can see there, you have select, and then when you select a model, not the brush will put a brush overlay on the model. Select, click the model, and then you can rotate this and the y-axis, the x-axis, Z, I think, and then you can also move this along the plane. As you can see there, you have like a simulated ground, and then you can also add other 3D shapes. So you can click 3D shapes here and then open 3D library. So just like in the 3D viewer, you also have some stuff here. You can have characters, and then in this application you can combine multiple elements. So right here we have a troll. See how it snaps on the ground? So when you want to move, you have to right click and then drag, not click and drag. See? So when I click on this model, you can also move this on the back of the plane or forward. See that? You can also reduce the size of it, and then you can also add another one. This is the fun part. So just make it like a party, monster party. So see, it snaps on the ground right here, and then you can drag it at the back, and then you can also put it at the back here. So right click and drag. You can still move it. The same thing. Let's see. Oh, no. Oh, right here. So we can move it closer to the baby troll. There we go. And then you can also make the T-Rex larger. And then you can also move it. Oops, it's kind of raised. There you go. And then what you can do also is you can also add text. And in the text you can have a 2D or 3D. But yeah, you know, 3D text is where it's at. You can also change the typeface, this one. You can also change the font, the color. You can also add a specific color, a hex value perhaps. Just pick this red, and then center. You can type anywhere. So for example, Sydney CBD Repair Center. I don't know the theme of this project, it's just a demo. Certainly we're not monsters here. We just fix phones, and that's what we do day in day out. So if you have your phones destroyed by a monster, just bring it to Sydney CBD. You can also have it like, you know, be creative and then just put this on the T-Rex arms. You know, you don't have to be really expert in 3D modeling to do what I do here. See that? Okay, like he's holding the signage right there. And then, so this application, it's really for fun, I think, but you can do whatever you want. You can also make this a gateway to 3D modeling if you want. So let's try another one. We have effects. We have, this will change the entire world. So a lighter color will emphasize the color of your models. So let's try this blue. I think that's it. And then you can also change the light. Maybe we can have it face them and their faces, yes. And then the filter is Minecraft. Wow. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you want to save this one, you can, I will show you how you can save this as a GIF or an image. So for example, you want to share this, you made an awesome like project. Maybe let's final one. There you go. Okay, you want to share this. Maybe you want to have your friends see what you did. Just go to menu and then save as. So when you have other projects, you can also go back here. You can just save and then continue this tomorrow, or you can save as. You can save this as an image, a 3D model, or a video. So I'm gonna show you how to save this as a video or a GIF. So it will do this animation. If you want to have this, so you can also have the swing, jump and turn. That is not necessary. Wobble, nope. Emerge, hover. I think that turntable is the best. You can also make it slower, like that. Or you can loops, number of loops to 5. It will turn 5 times. Just 1. Okay. Then you can also save this as an MP4 or a GIF. I think GIF is better. And then you can also adjust the angle and the framing. So for example, you want to make it like a zoom in. And then you can also see here the instructions to pan. So Alt click, center it. So orbit is the right click and drag. Alt and left click is the pan. I think we can, this one. You can also have it 16 by 9, which is good. And then okay. And then once you're done selecting the type and the height and the width and then the animation and the speed, just save it. And save it to, let's see, the Sydney CBD Repair Dino. Then save it. So let's check that out. Right there. You can save it and then share it through WhatsApp, Messenger, or even on Facebook. It will also render as a GIF. It's low quality, but you can also increase that in the settings when you save the file. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this messing around with 3D Viewer and Paint 3D. And if you have a broken smartphone or smartwatches or tablets, it's either iPhone or Android, just message us on Facebook or visit Sydney CBD Repair Center and we'll fix that for you. So till next time, cheers!